Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move star rating above product title in single product page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So first we are going to remove star rating and then we are going to add, and then you see number 3. So this is our priority and we are going to show star rating above product title. If you want you can set priority according to requirement and then your star position change according to numbers. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page, refresh the page. And now you see star rating move above product title in single product page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.